Hi, and thanks for taking part in Swan 200. I'm going to show you how to fold your origami swan for the project, which is part of Blackburn Canal Festival. It's really dead easy using the pull-out section of the festival brochure. If you're using the print-at-home flyer, the steps are exactly the same, so keep watching this video. So start by opening up your brochure and tearing off the swan sheet, which is at the back. There's a perforation which makes this a bit easier to do. You'll also notice that there's some printed instructions here, and it's these that we're going to be following in the video. So what you need to do to start with is have your paper like this with the yellow stripes and the blue dot facing towards you. And then the first step is to fold the red corners in and line them up with the red dot in the middle. Now you'll see that the corners are red on both sides of the paper, and as we fold in we begin to complete a circle. So we do the same with the other red corner, and you see that we end up with a full red dot. Now it really helps to give the folds a really good crease, so I'll just run my fingernails along them. Right, so the next step is to fold up the blue corner at the bottom here to complete the blue dot, which is here in the middle. And really all we're doing is we're just folding this flap over. And again, I'll give it a really good crease. Okay, so now we need to fold back this blue corner again, and as you do this you can see two orange dots begin to emerge. So we just line these up and crease again. Right, now we just fold everything in half. Now, this is a step that I often forget, but what you need to do is lift up this blue corner until the green dots here line up. You sort of let the figure open out a little bit, and then once the dots are lined up, just squish it all flat again. Okay, great. Onto the home straight now. So you see that there's kind of two layers. What we need to do is just take the top layer and fold it down to the bottom. Really we're folding along this dotted line there. And we turn everything over, and we do the same thing with the layer on the other side. Fold it down to the bottom. Right, so believe it or not, we're very nearly there. This is probably the hardest part. You see there's a dotted grey line just here. So the easiest way to do this is to crease both ways along this line by folding it over. And then folding it back again on the same crease. This bit is going to be the neck. So what you need to do is to kind of open up the figure a little, and you pull the neck back through the body, and kind of this half of the fold kind of turns inside out. And it should just follow the line of the creases and stand up a bit like this. Give that a good crease. And then the last step is more or less the same. We just fold both ways along the tiny grey line here. And then we just fold through the head. Great, so that's it. If you open the body up a little, the swan will stand up and more crucially float. But if you can resist, don't do that just now, bring your swan along to the Canal Festival and launch it into the canal with us as part of our artwork. In the meantime, keep up to date with the website, post us photos with the hashtag Swan200. We're really looking forward to seeing you at the festival, and thanks for taking part.